Right.
So,
Mr. Acharya, in your certificate under Section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act, as well as in paragraph 5 of your evidence on affidavit, you have mentioned about 4 hyperlinks. From which source you got those 4 hyperlinks?
It is from the official website of the Election Commission of India.
I got the details of the hyperlinks which I have mentioned in my certificates under section 60, in my certificates under section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act. So also in paragraph 5 of the evidence affidavit of my evidence of my evidence affidavit from the website of the Election Commission of India. So,
You have no official competency to give any certificate under Section 65B4 of the Indian Evidence Act.
It is not a fact.
it's not a fact that I have no official competency to grant certificate under section 65 copyright based questions.
Your computer laptop is not qualifying the conditions as prescribed under Section 65B2 of the Indian Evidence Act.
It is not a fact.
It's not a fact that my personal computer doesn't satisfy the requirement as prescribed under subsection 2 of section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act.
The certificate granted by you under Section 65B of the B4 of the Indian Evidence Act under Exhibit 32 to 35 are not valid certificates in the eye of law.
It's not a fact that the certificates granted by me in Exhibit 32, 33, 34, and 35 are not valid certificates in the eye of law as required under subsection 4 of section 65B.
Under paragraph 7 of your evidence on affidavit, you have stated that the computer output containing the information was verified, produced, and printed by your computer system.
That the computer output containing the information was verified, produced, and printed by my computer system.
Yes.
Can you say to the Honorable Court how your computer system verified the computer output containing the information?
That is an official website. It's an official document for the voters to verify. So it is in the public domain.
That the computer output containing information was verified, produced, and printed by my computer system belonging to me. से जो सार प्रश्न हार करछन्ती से जो verified उपरे आपण कहले जे computer output containing the information was verified. Verified by whom, in what manner, when, all these details have you mentioned here.
So the information is available in the public domain. The information which was verified, it is available in the public platform. It is a public document, widely available for everyone to verify. And since the computer system was belonging to me, and it's my personal computer, I was verified through the website of the Election Commission.
Tell once again.
Manoj, sir, the information is publicly available on the public domain. And
Stop. The information which I have received through computer output is in public domain, and anyone can have access to the same and verify and make printout of the same by using computer system. That is how I have mentioned in paragraph 7 of my evidence affidavit. ସେଇ ଲାଇନ୍ ରେ ସାର୍ ଅଛି ଏଠି paragraph 2 ରେ ଏକାଠି ଲେଖିଦବା କି ଏ ଯୋଉ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ରେ ଅଛି ମଧ୍ୟ, and also in paragraph 2 of the certificate granted by me under section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act.
He also says that that the information is available in public domain and any member of the public.
The information which I have received through computer output is in public domain, and anyone can have access to the same and verify and make printout of the same by using the computer system. So that is a computer system, and that is how I have mentioned.
Actually,
and what?
सुने
माने आउ कोन चाहू
नहीं
आउ टिके बड़ कल हबो ना कोन आउ कंप्यूटर चाहू सेठी बसई दबा पे से हां हां नै मु कोन प्रॉब्लम ता अपन जानिले मु कहिबी सीपीसी को जे whether the glass तो किछि करियो
नहीं ग्लास
सेटा टिके बड़ भी करि हेबो सेटा ना ना से स्क्रीन टा कोडी बड़ कर दे
एटा को कोन करछन सर टिके बड़ कर एटा जदी कोन करियो okay yes.
Under paragraph 7 of your evidence on affidavit, you have stated that your computer system belonging to you and being completely under your supervision and lawful control, regularly used by you to store or process information for the purpose of your professional and day-to-day activities.
Yes.
Hela?
Okay.
Your computer system was never belonging to the RO, nor was ever under the supervision and lawful control of the RO.
No, it is under my supervision.
It's a fact that Saparakudan, my computer system was never under the control and direct supervision of the returning officer. Stop.
Your professional and day-to-day activities do not include any of the duties assigned to the Election Commission of India, nor to the RO for the conduct of election in post.
No.
It's a fact that my day-to-day activities, my professional and day-to-day, my professional and day-to-day activities as a lawyer, doesn't include. Sir, does not include.
Does not include any of the duties assigned to the Election Commission of India, nor to the RO.
Any of the duties assigned to the Election Commission of India,
not to the RO,
and to the not to the returning officer
for conduct of election in question.
For conduct of election.
Your averment under paragraph 8 of your evidence on affidavit to the effect, the electronic record so derived, downloaded, printed out of the kind was regularly fed in your computer system in ordinary course of the said activities.
Yes.
You have said it.
Yes.
can you say how the electronic record was regularly fed to your computer system, your system?
For the case record, when the case was being analyzed and when there was research going on, so during that period, regularly from my computer, the downloads were made. The official website was visited using my computer.
All right. During to the word fed,
Fed in the sense, fed in the sense it was continuously downloaded through my computer.
So that is how he has clarify. During the process of preparation of the election petition, comma, different websites were visited by using my personal computer, and documents were downloaded and that is how I have mentioned in paragraph number 8 of my evidence on affidavit that the electronic record of the kind was regularly fed in my computer system in the ordinary course of the activities.
Your statement under paragraph 8 of your evidence on affidavit is not correct.
It's not a fact that the amendments made in paragraph 8 of my evidence affidavit are not correct.
What is the place of installation of your computer?
It's a laptop, so it's moving with me.
My personal computer is a laptop which I carries from place to place.
You have not stated in your evidence on affidavit the year of make as well as the date of purchase of your computer system.
It's a fact that I have not mentioned the year of purchase, and year of make and year of purchase,
Date of purchase.
and date of purchase of my personal computer.
That is your laptop as well as your printer.
Yes.
Personal computer, that is computer system that is laptop and printer.
You cannot.
I have not mentioned in my evidence affidavit. Say continue karantu. Laptop and printer. हाँ ठीक है सेट चलेगा. In my evidence.
You cannot produce any proof to substantiate your averment under paragraph 9 of your evidence on affidavit to the effect. Throughout the material part of the above said period, till date, your computer is operating to affect the electronic records started
stored therein,
or the accuracy of contents thereof.
मैंने proof दे पारी भी कि नहीं. My laptop is always present with me and it is also present in court today also. I have
in between.
It is
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମୌଖିକ ଛଡା ଆପଣ ସାର୍ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ କିଛି ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟାରୀ ଅଛି କି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଦେଇପାରିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ to substantiate this averment taken in paragraph 9 of the evidence on affidavit.
documentary nahi, because this is a system, so documentary it is not possible.
Any exports that this computer was working throughout this period perfectly ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟରଟା ଜଣେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ ଭେରିଫାଏ କରିବ ଏବଂ ଦେଇବ ଯେ ଏଇ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର କିଛି ଡିଫେକ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ, ଏଟା ପୁରା ସ୍ମୁଥଲି ଚାଲିଛି, ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ପରଚେଜ ରୁ ଏଟା ଠିକ ସେ ଚାଲିଛି, ଆର କୌଣସି କେବେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଦେଖାଏନି, ଆର ଏମିତି କିଛି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ
currently present nahi.
acha it's a fact that I have got no documentary proof or any certificate from any expert to show that my computer is operating properly and it is affecting the no material events and no material events have occurred to affect the electronic records stored therein or the accuracy of its contents thereof, as I have mentioned in paragraph 9 of my evidence and affidavit.
Under paragraph 10 of your evidence on affidavit, you have stated the information contained in the electronic record and electronic output is derived from such information fed into the computer system in ordinary course of your professional activities. Hala? Your above statement is entirely false in view of the fact that your computer system was never used by the RO, nor was information were ever fed to your computer system by RO, and your ordinary course of professional activities doesn't have any link with the professional and official activities of the RO.
The information fed by the arrow does not have any bearing on my computer, but the information which I was searching through was fed into my computer, like visiting the website of the Election Commission of India, then downloading the affidavits. Those all were fed by me. That is the information which I fed, not only the
sir कोन क्वेश्चन पचारन आउथरे बुझा सर पचन आउथरे
देखंतु were you in link with the professional and official activities of the RO?
No.
I am not in professional or official activities with the returning officer.
Were there any information or instruction by an RO to deploy or employ your laptop and printout a printing machine for the purpose of professional and official activities of the RO?
No.
There was no instruction, official instruction. There is no official instruction by the returning officer to use my personal computer in as well as printer in the deployment or employment of the
Official activity.
of the official activities of the returning officer.
Under paragraph 11 of your evidence on affidavit, though you have stated that you are the owner of your computer system along with the printer and you are in absolute possession of the said devices, you have not produced any document in proof of this.
I have not produced.
It's a fact that I have not produced any document to show that I am the owner of the computer system along with the printer which I have used in downloading the documents from the website of the Election Commission of India, and that I am in absolute possession of such devices.
Under paragraph 12 of your evidence and affidavit, you have stated in Exhibit 1 to 4 and Exhibit 32 to 35, it has been specifically mentioned that the application was uploaded on 2nd April 2019. So also the affidavit was uploaded on 2nd April 2019. Thus, it is abundantly clear from Exhibit 1 to 4 and Exhibit 32 to 35 that the nomination paper of the respondent dated 2/4/2019 and the affidavit in form 26 of the respondent dated 3/4/2019 was filed before the RO 90 Baravati Assembly Constituency on 2nd April 2019, and the same were uploaded by the RO on 2nd April 2019 on the web portal of ECI. ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ exhibit 1 to 4 first page ଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍।
देखिए गोटे मते दियो 1 to 4 ভিতরে গোটে जस्ट दियो ना ठीक আছে এটা একটা হ্যাঁ
1 to 4 ର first page ଟା ସାର୍।
सर देख
ଆଉ exhibit 32 to 35 relevant portion ଟା ହେଲା mark exhibit 32/6, 33/6, 34/6 and 35/6
गोटे दी दे पूरा
ହେଲା
ओ এটা
ସାର୍ ପାଇଲେ ନା?
1 टा पाइली ଆଉ
32 to 35
page number 4 fourth page रे
এই ফটোটা বুঝেন हाँ ठीक ठीक
Though against the heading affidavit uploaded, it has been mentioned 2nd April 2019, but there is no mention that the affidavit in form 26 dated 3/4/2019 filed by the respondent is uploaded on 2nd April 2019. देखिए जन सर
affidavit upload ଲେଖାଗଲା ଡେଟ୍ ଲେଖାଗଲା 2nd April 2019 ସାରଙ୍କ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ରହୁଛି ଯେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ affidavit uploaded
ସେଟା
2nd April 3 ତାରିଖର affidavit ଟା
upload ହେଲା ବୋଲି କି ନା
ଲେଖା ଯାଇନି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ affidavit ତା just
ଲେଖା ଯାଇଛି କି ଲେଖା ଯାଇନି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ସେଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇନି and ସେଟା demonstrate ବି ହେଇପାରିବ within court
Volunteers, let him speak.
just a minute in the affidavit of the nomination paper marked as exhibit 1 say type of 1 to 4 and and 32 to 35 though এটা কোনটা
এটা ଯୋଉ downloading details
আচ্ছা
that in the
রুন্তু
first page
in the
first page of exhibit 1 to 4
अच्छा in the अच्छा लिख दूं ठीक है in the first page in the first page of of on the first page of exhibit so and so.
And exhibit 32,
35.
লেখা হয়েছে লেখা হলো তো ফার্স্ট পেজ অফ এক্সিবিট 1 to 4
and exhibit 32 by 6
and exhibit 32 by 6
33 by 6
কমা লিখে দিও
2 by 5 করো
no no হাইটটা হলো আপনাদের টোটালটা
সেই যে পোরশনটা উচিত
It's a particular portion of so the
Ah.
document is 32 by 5
34 by 6 35 by 6
হ্যাঁ 35 by 6 though it is mentioned
Against the heading affidavit uploaded.
against the heading affidavit uploaded comma the date has been mentioned to be 2nd April 2019 but nowhere it is mentioned that sir कौन पचलन
Affidavit in form 26 dated 3/4/2019.
nowhere it is mentioned that affidavit dated 3/4/2019 was
Filed by respondent
filed by the respondent
is uploaded on 2nd April.
was
2019.
uploaded on 2nd April 2019 outer padwa in the first page of so and so against the heading affidavit uploaded comma the date has been mentioned to be 2nd April 2019 but nowhere it is mentioned that the affidavit dated 3/4/2019 filed by the respondent was uploaded on 2nd April 2000. All right.
You were not present in the office of the RO on 2nd April 2019 when the respondent filed his nomination papers and affidavits.
I was not present in the office of the returning officer when the respondent filed his nomination paper along with affidavit in form 26.
Right. You were also not present personally.
Well, I was not present. Acha, good date ta de do. I was not present in the when the respondent filed his say kar diyo on last two kar diyo on 2/4/2019.
Right. You were also not personally present in the office of the RO when the RO uploaded the nomination paper and affidavit of the respondent on 2/4/2019.
No.
I was also khali order. I was also order. Was not present in the office when the returning officer uploaded সেটা নিয়ে আসুন পুরা নমিনেশন পেপার along with some পুরা নিয়ে আসুন সেটা আমি কপি করে পেস্ট করে দেন স্টপ স্যার
You have no personal and direct knowledge that which documents were filed by the respondent before the RO on 2/4/2019.
I have no personal knowledge
direct
Personal and direct.
and direct knowledge as to which documents were filed by the respondent at the time of
Before
filing
the RO on 2.
at the time of filing his nomination paper before the returning officer on second ones.
You have no personal and direct knowledge as to what documents were uploaded by the RO on 2nd April 2019 in the official website of Election Commission of India.
No.
I have also no personal knowledge, personal or
Direct.
direct knowledge also as to which documents were uploaded by the returning officer on so and so. Yes.
You have no personal and direct knowledge on which date the affidavit in form 26 dated 3/4/2019 of the respondent was filed before the RO.
Sorry.
I've-
Of course.
ମାନେ କୋଉ ଦିନ 3/4/2019 affidavit ଟା respondent ଆରଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଦାଖଲ କଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୌଣସି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ବା direct knowledge ନାହିଁ?
I have no personal knowledge on which date the affidavit dated 3rd April, 3/4 was filed by the respondent before the returning officer.
ସେଠି ଖାଲି ଲେଖିଦେବେ affidavit in form 20.
Achha, I have no personal on affidavit dated affidavit in form
In form.
26 dated 3/4/20
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
2000.
You have also no personal and direct knowledge as to on which date Arrow uploaded the affidavit in form 26 dated 3/4/2019 filed by respondent in the official website of Election Commission.
No.
I have no personal knowledge as to on which date the returning officer uploaded the affidavit in form 26 as affidavit in form filed by the respondent person. Stop. Nine, the other kind.
In the official form, uploaded in the official website of the election.
Achha, in the official website of the Election Commission of India.
You have also no personal and direct knowledge that what are the documents filed by the respondent were available in the web portal of ECI on 2/4/2019 and 4/4/2019.
No.
I have no personal and direct knowledge. Stop as to which documents filed by the respondent were available and uploaded available and uploaded by the returning were available with the were available with the returning officer.
Website of election.
Achha, were available in the website of being uploaded by the returning officer. Stop. On 2/4 as well as 2019 and not 3/4. That is 4/4/2000.
You have also no direct and personal knowledge that on 4/4/2000 from 4/4/2019 to 27/6/2022, what are the documents filed by the respondent were available in the web portal official?
Yes.
I have no personal as to which documents were as to which documents
Were available in the
were available
Ah.
in the official website of the Election Commission of India from
4/4/2019
TO2
to 27/6/2022.
respect to the election.
with respect to the election in question.
Your statement under paragraph 12 of your evidence on affidavit is not correct. Based upon the direction and influence of election petitioner and being full-time associate of senior advocate Mr. Milan Kanungo, advocate for the election petitioner, and being instructed by the election petitioner to prepare the section 65B4 certificate, you are personally interested to see that the election petitioner to succeed in the election.
Not a fact.
It is not a fact that the aberments taken by me in paragraph 12
Are incorrect.
of my
Evidence on affidavit.
evidence on affidavit are not correct, and as per the instruction and influence of the election petitioner, I have given the certificates under 65, section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act to help the petitioner in
To succeed in
to
the
succeed in the in the election proceeding,
you are an interested witness.
and that I am an interested witness.
Sir को देखांतु examination in chief रा page 7 8th line.
Eight line from the bottom.
Page 7,
Eight line from the
8 line from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
ठीक है, however 61 ଆଉ ଦିଟା ଲାଇନ ଉପରେ ପଡିଲା however
However,
देखो सेठी कोन लिखा है सर को पढ़ो.
ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଲି କି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ଟା ଅଛି exhibit 32 33 34 and 35 ରେ exhibit 32 33 34 35
कणगर केवल सर्टिफिकेट रे सिग्नेचर अछि डॉक्यूमेंट रे सिग्नेचर नै.
केवल सर्टिफिकेट रे
ସବୁ ଗୁଡା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ନା ଠିକ
सर्टिफिकेट रे
ଟୋଟାଲ exhibit ଟୋଟାଲ ଟା ହଉଛି exhibit 32 ନା 32 33 34 and 35 ରେ
it is
सर्टिफिकेट फर्स्ट 3 पेज ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସିଗ୍ନେଚର
ଟିକେ
अवेलेबल
ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦିଏ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
सर्टिफिकेट रे तो प्रत्येक पेज रे अछि.
आज्ञा तीन पेज जाके रे.
तापर
डॉक्यूमेंट ना
कंपनी से कौन कहले कि however I have given certificate under section so and so in so and so, okay, and my signature is also appearing in these documents. अच्छा entire document टा होची
32
it appears only on the certificate.
32 itself contains several pages. That means से 32 ର प्रत्येक पेज रे आपनकर signature ନାହିଁ. sir से या पछारदेन.
It is appearing in these documents as regards the certificate. It can be clarified that certificate.
I mean only to certificate, not to the document.
The certificate
All right.
contains.
Though in the chief examination, এটা chief রে কইছি তো.
Examination in chief.
Though in the examination in chief, in page number 17, 7.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. आउथरे पड़ दो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th line लिखो bracket रे. 10th line from the bottom. 10th line from the bottom. I have stated that I have given certificate under section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act in exhibits 32, exhibit 33. नहीं से language गुड़ा का जेमती अच्छी सेमती लखो पूरा लखो exhibit. हाँ सही तो हाँ जहाँ अच्छी से अलग 34 and exhibit 35, and my signature is also appearing in these documents, but in fact my signatures are available only in the certificates, but not certificate mark कीजिए.
And the signatures in the certificate.
32/4
The अच्छा my signatures are available in the certificate. Certificate टा कितने mark कीजिए.
certificate size 32/4 33/4
अच्छा marked as कर दो in the certificates marked as exhibits 32/4 comma, exhibit 33/4, next 34, and exhibit 35/4, but not in the but in fact my signatures are available only in the certificates matter and not in the entire documents
appended to that certificate.
appended to
Those certificates.
those certificates to those certificates.
And my lords, my signatures have also been marked as exhibits there.
No, that is there. Sir, ସେଇଟା ଅଛି।
32/1, 32/2.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯାହା ବି ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ଅଛି ଯୋଉ ତିନିଟା ଲେଖା ସେଇଟା ତ ମାର୍କ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଏବଂ ସେଇଟା 33/4 ଭିତରେ ରହୁଛି। ଆପଣ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଟା ଇଟସେଲ୍ଫ ମାର୍କ ହେଇଯାଇଛି। ତେଣୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଲାଗିଛି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 32-33 ତା ଦେହରେ କୌଣସି ଇନିସିଆଲ ନାହିଁ କି କୌଣସି ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ନାହିଁ। ୟେସ୍।
ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ 1 to 4। bottom, first page and second.
Hyperlinks bottom টা নেଉଛି।
দেখেন সেকেন্ড পেজটা দেখেন
Second page
দেখান
hyperlinks টা
the hyperlinks mentioned do not tally with the hyperlinks of exhibit 32 to 35.
ଯାଇଥିଲା ନା କଣ
ସେଟା ଯାଇଥିଲା ଜେଡ୍
ମାନେ ସେଟା ଯାଇଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର
ଜେଡ୍ ରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ଟାଲି କରୁନି ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି
exhibit 1 to 4 ଆଉ exhibit 32
to 35 ର hyperlinks ଟା ଅଲଗା।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେଟା କୋଉଠୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି?
ବଟମ ଅଫ ଦି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପୁରା ବଟମ ପୁରା ଟୋଟାଲ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ HTTP ଯୋଉ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଆଇଟମ 33/6। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ସ୍ୱାଂଶୀ ପ୍ରୋଫାଇଲ ମୁଁ 1 ଆଉ 33 ଟା
1 ର ବଟମ ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ହଁ ମୁଁ ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ଦେଖୁଛି ଯେ ସ୍ୱାଂଶୀ ହଁ এটা ম্যাচ করুন
ম্যাচ
হ্যাঁ କିଛି କାରଣ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଥିଲ? ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦଉଛ ଏଗୁଡା ସବୁ ଜାଣିବା କଥା। ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସମୟରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଯଦି ଡାଉନଲୋଡ ହୁଏ ସେତେଟା ହାଇପରଲିଙ୍କ ଆସିବ। ସେଟା ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଆସିବ।
Even today, Malats, if you open the hyperlinks given in my
ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟା ବୁଝିଲେ ତମେ ଯଦି ଠିକ ଜାଣିଥାନ୍ତ ଆନ୍ସର ଟା ସେଇ ଟାଇପ ର ଦିଆ ହେଇ ପାରିଥାନ୍ତା। ଗୋଟେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ କରିବି ତାର ଯୋଉ ହାଇପରଲିଙ୍କ ଆସିବ whether the hyperlink would be same if I download it after 5 days, that is the question. Everything would match or there would be difference.
That I am not aware of.
It's a fact that the hyperlinks which are mentioned which are available in the bottom of exhibit in the bottom of the first page of exhibits 1, 2, 3 and 4 do not tally with the first page of with the hyperlinks as
which I mentioned in my certificate.
ठीक है in my certificate in my certificate given under certificates given under SWANS. Yes.
Malats, I'll just like to add one thing that however on this date also, when we open the hyperlink in the certificate, it will lead to the same page of the Election Commission of India website.
Only concerns the
It-
hyperlink.
That may be the case.
It's a fact that the hyperlinks which are available in the bottom of the first page of exhibit so and so do not tally with the hyperlinks which I have mentioned in my certificates marked as so and so. Bracket লেখো underline করো মানে তଳୁ ଖସେଇ ଦିଅ enter କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ bracket ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ the witness volunteers. If the aforesaid hyperlinks which are mentioned in the bottom
In the certificate,
in the
certificate,
in
65.
all right, in my certificate in my certificates कर दियो under certificates हाँ marked as कर दियो से जोटा तांको certificate गुड़ा ଦେଇଥିଲେ ହେଇଗଲା comma if the aforesaid hyperlinks which are mentioned in my certificates marked as so and so are opened today, comma it would reflect the same document as
appended to my
certificates. Yes. Same documents कर दियो तो same documents is what they do. It would reflect the same documents as appended to my certificates. Yes.
ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ affidavit dated 2/4/2019 marked as Y/2, Y/5, Y/8, Y/11.
ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତ ନାହିଁ ତ ହଁ ଖୋଲିଦିଅ
nomination set ଟା ବି ଆଣିଥିଲି এই affidavit dated 2/4/2019
ଚାରି ସେଟ୍ର ରଖିଦେଇଥିଲା 2/4/2019 affidavitଟା ଏ ଚାରିଟାକ ସେଟ୍ର available ଅଛି ଆପଣ ମାର୍କ କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ
nomination serial number 2, 3, 4, 5 check कर दिया Y/2, Y/5, Y/8, Y/11.
Y/11 ଅଛି Y/7 Y/8
Y/8 ଅଛି 11 ଗଲା 8 ଗଲା ବକ୍ସଟାରେ
Y/5
Y/5 ଅଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ Y/2 ଅଛି
ହେଲା Y/2, Y/5, Y/8, Y/11 are available with each set of nomination filed by respondent on 2/4/2019.
Acha,
and they are available on record.
Acha. From the documents shown to me in court today, I find that
is 4 sets of nomination filed by respondent.
that in the from
Shown
the
to me
from that from shown that is that is from the documents shown to me in court today, that is the 4 sets of nomination papers filed by the respondent in the election in question, I find that sir the affidavit dated
in Form 26.
the affidavit in Form 26 in Form 26 dated 2/4/2019 are available with affidavits in so and so dated so and so are available with
With each set of
with each set of nomination paper. Sir, affidavits in
dated 2/4/2019 পরে marked as Y/2
oh there are mark each marked as exhibit है ना खाली marked as Y
Y/2
हाँ
Y/5
Y/8
and
Y/8 and Y/11
11 are available in अच्छा empty कर देना in कर देना each set न करेगी in exhibit तांकर से जो उटा mark कीजिए नहीं nomination paper उड़ा mark ही नहीं अच्छा in ताऊ मु respective कर दी थांती माने respect
object कला हमें mark कला
ओह अच्छा
how
ठीक है जी I find
they are trying to mark it as exhibit.
नहीं छाड़ दो mark in the mark in the are available in the
set of nomination
हाँ in each set of खाली with खाली in each set of nomination paper ठीक है
filed by the respondent.
filed by the respondent.
The affidavit in Form 26 dated 3/4/2019 marked as Y/1.
So he himself has said he has no personal knowledge of any of the
Y/4
documents filed.
Is verifying the documents and answering. So
Y/7
with questions are asked to him, he is answering and verifying that I find
Y/10
to the election commission. I mean petition.
ये जो 3/4/2019 रो affidavit सब सेट रो अछि ना नहीं देखुन
अच्छे
I also find that the affidavits in Form 26 dated 3/4/2019 marked as
Y/1
Y/1 Y/4
Y/7
Y/7
Y/10
and Y/10 out of Y/10 sir पहले देखिए are also available in each set of nomination paper.
affidavit in Form 26 dated 2/4/2019 have been filed by the respondent before the RO on 2/4/2019 along with his 4 sets of nomination.
I have no knowledge.
I cannot say whether the were filed by the respondent with his nomination papers कर दियंतु कारण चारटा सेट on 2/4/2009.
Sent the affidavit in Form 26 dated 3/4/2019 were filed by the respondent before the RO on 4/4/2019.
I cannot.
I also cannot say हाँ ସେଇ ଯାଏ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ସେ ମାର୍କ ଗୁଡାକ ବଦଳିବ। ହଁ ମାର୍କଟା ସେ ଯୋଉ y1 ର ସେଇଟା 3 ହବ, ମାର୍କଟା y1 y2 ସେ ଯୋଉ ଉପରଟା ଅଛି, ହଁ ସେଇଠୁ ସେଇ ଯାଏ ନାଇଁ 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 ହଁ were filed by the respondent on 4/4/2019.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କେବଳ ପିଟିସନରଙ୍କର କହିବା ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶ ମତେ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଇନ୍ 65B ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କ ସପକ୍ଷରେ ଏଠି ଆସି ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଦଉ।
It's not a fact that at the instance of the election petitioner, I have given an incorrect certificate, and as per his instruction, as per instance,
At his instance.
it is not a fact that at the instance of so and so I have given the incorrect certificate and deposing in his favor, and deposing in favor of the election petitioner.
The certificate you have granted is false. The evidence you are giving is also false.
It is not a fact that the certificates granted by me under section 65B of the Evidence Act are all false, and my evidence is also false.
Yes.
That's all. Is discharged. Okay, you wait, Mr. डाकी दूँ returning officer को डाकूं. Yes, Mr. Kanungo, please come with where is your witness, that official witness.
Mhm.
तार से डिपोजिशन सीट टा बाहर कर दियंतु जोड़ा लिखा हो. फॉर्म टा हाँ सेटा नहीं पूरा नहीं आसा काटी दवा पूरा नहीं आसा कॉपी. हाँ
Thank you.
PW3 ना. हाँ प्लीज come. एक कौन कहउचंती सर माइक टा ऑन करंतु.
सर ये जो आजिका साक्षीर कॉपीटा टिके देले सर बिकॉज़ वी विल बी
हाँ अच्छा तांको देई देले आपण विश्वाल बाबू ये टिके देखि देबे से
रफ प्रिंट टा खाली
रफ प्रिंट आउट काढी की देई थांतु सो दैट विल सेव टाइम. हाँ चीप कला परे अच्छा माने सिर कोजिन टाइम सेव होई जे यदि हेई पान. हाँ सेटा
फॉर हिज एग्जामिनेशन आल्सो दीस फैक्ट्स आर आल्सो रेलेवेंट फॉर हिज एग्जामिनेशन.
अच्छा सेम देई थांता गोटे कॉपी देई दे. Please come and take oath and
नियम करी कहूचे जा कहबी सत कहबी किछि मिछ कहबी नाही किछि बुझाइबी नाही ईश्वर मते सहायता करिबे.
please take your seat. Give him a glass of water. Like being on a পরিষ্কার হয়ে গেল.
Sir, upon
नाटा पचाऊंगी
सुकांत कुमार प्रधान
ठीक से नहीं ठीक है रुको ठीक है स्पेलिंग फिलिंग ठीक होची ना नहीं ठीक है लगी तो ओके देन नहीं सन ऑफ
लेट जगबंधु प्रधान
देखी दियो तो स्पेलिंग ठीक होची ना नहीं हाँ एज इज
52 years
52 years
residing at quarter number
हाँ दियो तो
quarter number
दियो
VIC
लिखो तो जहाँ कोई भी लिखा हो at present address कहउछंदी my home is
presently residing at
नहीं present address तोड़े तले रहउची ना कोन दीटा रहउची पुरा हाँ I reside at present चलो सेटा होजी रे permanent address कोन
resident of Raipur अरे आई रायपुर PS केंद्रापड़ा PS केंद्रापड़ा
केंद्रापड़ा
रायपुर का विलेज रायपुर विलेज
अच्छा विलेज कर दियन सेठी हाइफेन गुटे दियन सेठी विलेज पर हाइफेन गुटे दे दियन हाँ PSLA केंद्रापड़ा डिस्ट केंद्रापड़ा and I reside at present
quarter number
लिखो
type VIC C 10/2 10/2
क्या प्रयोग होता है
hyphen 10/2
हाँ
unit 1 भुवनेश्वर
यूनिट 1 भुवनेश्वर तारो पुलिस स्टेशन टा कोन PS टा कोन तो तारो कैपिटल पुलिस स्टेशन डिस्ट खोर्दा ठीक अच्छा वो and I am at present कोन तो present posting
posted as
at present
private secretary to minister
I am posted हाँ ठीक है I am private secretary
to minister
yeah
water issues commerce and transport commerce and transport
commerce and transport
no not department
department कोड transport department government of Orissa ठीक है भुवनेश्वर ओके ठीक है तो देखिले आउ थरे चेक कर दियंतु आदि मूलरू देखांतु फास्ट हाँ देखि दियंतु आउ थरे प्लीज वेरीफाई minutely verify so that आउ टिके ऊपर उठे दियो हाँ
my resident
my home is at village
my home is at
village Raipur
हाँ PS केंद्रापड़ा डिस्ट केंद्रापड़ा ठीक तो my home is at I reside at present quarter number one so
in I reside at present in quarter number
at present in होला ठीक है and at present I am so and so देखी दियन ठीक है तो so that will proceed सेटा पूरा काटी दियन से किसी एविडेंस एफिडेविट सेटा कि नुआ पूरा ब्लैंक कर दियन हाँ yes पचन sir please take your seat
sir आपण 2019 रे जो जनरल इलेक्शन हेइथला सेथरे सर आपण 90 बाराबाटी कटक रो रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर थले सर
हाँ I was the returning officer in the General Assembly election of 90 Baravati Cuttack Assembly constituency held in the year 2019.
तो आपण सेतबेले सब कलेक्टर भी थिले कटक सदर रो
I was also the sub collector of Cuttack district at the relevant point of time.
कटक
Cuttack Sadar खाली कर दें district are କାଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
district at the relevant point of time.
at the relevant point of time.
Sir, आपण जो इलेक्शन टा कंडक्ट कले एंटायर इलेक्शन टा को आपण कंडक्ट करछन, you did it in accordance with the guidelines given by the Election Commission of India.
I conducted the election as per the guidelines issued by the Election Commission of India.
Sir, ये जो Election Commission of India instructions देची गोटा handbook on to all returning officers.
आरो handbook.
आरो handbook. Sir, handbook टा आनी चंदी की आपण आगे.
The Election Commission of India has issued the guidelines by way of a handbook,
For returning officer.
by way of a handbook
for returning officers.
for the returning officer, comma, which I have brought today with me.
Sir, what are these?
The said book is marked as exhibit केते कोन आपण तरफ मार्क हो एटा 38 जाई जाइतला भरी exhibit 39 मार्क कोन तो परे ही कर
कवर पेज रो होने
हां ठीक है किछ असुविधा हां ठीक से देखो conclusion 38 Mr. Biswal, it will be 38 or 39?
37 बोलते थिला ना
अच्छा 38 ठीक है
38
okay,
होगा
okay. All right.
Sir,
तार को relevant pages mark दियो चाहूँ
देखते
हाँ ठीक नहीं आगे देखा तो तापरे ये चैप्टर रो नाटा कोन जे थिबो कि कोन से हेडिंग
चैप्टर 5 नॉमिनेशन
अच्छा
पेज 69
the chapter 5 माने के भी तो अछि
ना 5.
अच्छा 5 normal 5 under the heading of
इस बुक
अच्छा ठीक है हाँ
69
सर हैंडबुक का तो वो मार्क खेला है
हां
अच्छा relevant page टा हेगले बेटर हबो सब
पेज 69 it starts from page 69
the relevant konala the chapter 5 under the heading of nomination inverted comma bhitar rakhi diyantu of the said book
exhibit 8
is marked as exhibit 38 by 1 kariba na exhibit 38 by 1 pencil दे दी थांतो परे से उडा कबो
पेज 59 to 97 को क्लियर हे दियो
अच्छा हो हला लिख दियंतु nomination of the said book from from page numbers कर दियंतु 69 to केते
69 to 97.
97 is marked as exhibit 38 by 1 stop ଆଉ କୋଟା ମାର୍କ କରିବେ
please see class 5.5
बस तारी सही तार दिया है
at page 70
5.5 form of nomination
according to class 5.5 of the handbook form for filing nomination of a candidate at an election to the state legislative assembly
is Form 2B.
Again.
And that is also applicable in the state of Odisha.
Again.
As per 5.5, clause 5.5, which deals with form of nomination papers, comma, the relevant form for filing nomination of a candidate at an election to the state legislative assembly is Form 2B.
ଗତ 2019 ନିର୍ବାଚନରେ 90 ବାରବାଟୀ କଟକ ଆସେମ୍ବଲି କନଷ୍ଟିଚୁଏନ୍ସିରେ ଯେତେ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍ ନୋମିନେସନ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ ସବୁ ଫର୍ମ 2B ରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ।
ହଁ ଟିକେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ହଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। Okay. It's a fact that all the candidates who contested the election in election held in the year 2019, এটা হচ্ছে election assembly election করে দিয়েছি। It's a fact that all the candidates who contested
election of 90 বারবাটী
acha of 90 Barawati held in the year 2019 filed their nomination papers in Form 2B.
Page 357.
Page 357.
357.
Annexure 11 of the handbook prescribes the Form 2B.
Annexure 11 of Exhibit 38
At page?
at page 357 TO2 for the 357 to 362 was there?
362.
362. Annexure Annexure 11 of so at page so
Is the form
is the form to be
prescribed by the election
prescribed by the Election Commission of India.
This form be marked actually.
The said form to be is marked as Exhibit 38 by केते होबो सेटा 2 होबो
सेटा जो रहलानी plus 5.5
हां
that portion be marked.
अच्छा ठीक है कोई बना ताले as per clause 1 so is formed to be and the said clause 5.5 level said clause 5.5 karo is marked as exhibit it have 38 by 2 ଆପଣ ସେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ କ୍ଲଜ ଟାକୁ ପୁରା ବୁଲେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ବାସ୍ ଠିକ ଅଛି then you come to this annexure 11 ହେଲା so plus 1 so ଏଇଟା ହବ exhibit 38 by 3 ଠିକ ଅଛି ମିଷ୍ଟର ବିଶ୍ୱାଳ ଆପଣ ଅନ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଶୁଭୁନି
पेजटा ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଭଲ
ହଁ ପେଜ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି
ଦିଲା 357
70 ନମ୍ବର ପେଜରେ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ବେଟର ହବ ଆଉ ଯୋଉ କାଢିବାକୁ ସୁବିଧା ହବ 5.5 ଟା ଯୋଉଟା ମାର୍କ କରେଇଲେ
ଓ 5.5 ର ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ହଁ ସେଟା
ଦେଇଦେଲେ ବେଟର ହବ କାଢିବା ପାଇଁ
as per clause 5 ସେ 8+7 ଗୋଟିଏ ପେଜ ରେ ଅଛି ସେଟା
70 71 କି ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ଯାଇଛି
of exhibit 38
of exhibit 38 कर दो तो is marked as exhibit 38 by 2 हाँ
nomination, original.
This is the nomination paper serial number 2 filed before you by the Mohammed Mokil in Form 2B.
This is the
Original.
original nomination paper filed by the respondent. Mark mark
Why?
all right. This is the original nomination paper filed by the respondent before me, which was earlier marked as Y, is marked as Exhibit 39.
The whole nomination paper ta mark ho. Both ta.
This is the original nomination paper.
Nomination paper 4 sheets.
ନାଇଁ ତାକୁ ବାଇ କରନ୍ତୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଟ୍ ଟାକୁ ଭାଙ୍ଗନ୍ତୁନି
Date ଭାଙ୍ଗୁନି nomination paper
ଏ ଟୋଟାଲ ଟାକୁ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ ବାଇ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଠିକ ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସେଇଠି ପଚାରିଦେବେନି, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବାରି ଆସିବ ପଚାରିଦେବେନି,
ନାଇଁ
ସିଏ
ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଯାଇଥିବ
ସିଏ ଖୋଲୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟାକୁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ମାଇକ୍ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିଦିଅ।
ଏଇଟାକୁ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଯିବ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍,
ହଁ
ଯଦି ନମିନେସନ ପେପର along with all its documents ଯଦି ମାର୍କ ହେଲା,
ସିଏ ଖାଲି ସାର୍ ନୋମିନେସନ
ଖାଲି
ପେପର ଟାକୁ
nomination.
ମାର୍କ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଟାକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମାର୍କ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ ସେମିତି ହେଲେ କଣ ହବ କି ଆପଣ ତାକୁ କାଢିଦେବେ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ନମିନେସନ ପେପର ଟା ଟୁଗେଦର
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଦେବି ସାର୍ 4 sheet, ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ କହିବେ
4 sheets.
ମୁଁ ତାକୁ କାଢିଦେବିନି, ସେଇଠି ରଖା ହେଇଥିବ। ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଚାହିଁବେ ଯଦି ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଟା ମାର୍କ କରିବା,
ସେଇଟାକୁ ବାଇ ୱାନ୍ କରିଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି କେବଳ ନମିନେସନ 40 ପେଜ କୁ।
ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବେଳେ କରିବେ, ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ଠିକ ଅଛି ଓକେ which is now marked as exhibit 39. ଏଇଟାକୁ ପେଜ ମାନେ ପେଜ କେତେ କରିଦିଅ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ। This is the original nomination paper filed by the respondent, bracket ରେ ଏଇଠି ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ in 4 sheets. ନାଇଁ filed by respondent before me. अच्छा in form to be in 4 sheets कर दियो, in 4 sheets, which was earlier marked as Y, is marked as exhibit 39.
Exactly.
ସେଇ ପେପରରୁ ଆଉ କଣ ଯଦି ପ୍ରମାଣ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଏକାଥରେ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ତାହେଲେ ସେ ତା କାମ ସରିଯିବ। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଖାଲି ନୋମିନେସନ ପେପର ଗୋଟେ ଆଗେ ନେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି। ଅଲ୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ଠିକ ଅଛି, ତାହେଲେ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତା ପରଟା ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ୱାଇ ପରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି, ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Each nomination.
ନିଜ ନୋମିନେସନ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ମାନେ now your question confines to this particular nomination.
Nomination.
ତାହେଲେ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ, ସେଟାକୁ ସପାରା କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ସେଇ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଶୁଣ this is the ଟୁ କାଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ହଁ ନାଇଁ ସପାରା କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ତାର not a paragraph.
ସେ ଟୋଟାଲ ନମିନେସନ ବଞ୍ଚ ଟାକୁ କେତେ ସିଟ୍ କୁହନ୍ତୁ, କେବଳ ନମିନେସନ ପେପର 4 ସିଟ୍ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ।
that entire is not nomination paper.
Just a minute. See you. This is the original nomination paper filed by the respondent before me in form to be in 4 sheets, which was earlier marked as Y, is marked as exhibit 39. हाँ ये 39 ऊपर आओ कौन प्रश्न पचारे पचारे।
हैंडबुक रे जो annexure 11 फॉर्म बी रे फॉर्मेट दिया है जी एथरे पार्ट 2 अछि देखिले आपन को रेस्पोंडेंट पेज 357 मानो।
हाँ देख सर
There is a part
आपन
2.
को जो नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म मोहम्मद वकील
There is a
फाइल
part
करे,
2 in the nomination
Alright.
form.
there is a Part 2 in Annexure 11
Exhibit 38/3.
marked as Exhibit
38/3.
38/3.
ତିନିଟା ପୁରା ଗଲା ଏଇଟା 4 ହବ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ sir ମୋର ଠିକ sir ଦେଖୁଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
there is a part 2 in Annexure 11 marked as Exhibit 38/3. All right, sir, pacham next question.
ଦେଖିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ମୋହମ୍ମଦ ମୁକିମ ଯୋଉ ନମିନେସନ ଯୋଉ ସିରିୟଲ ନମ୍ବର 2 ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ ଆ ଦେହରେ ପାର୍ଟ 2 ଅଛି କି?
Part two is related to the
ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ରିଲେଟେଡ ପଚାରିଲି whether their part 2 is there
ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
whether ଯିବି ପଚାରିବା whether part 2 is in the nomination form or not.
nahi.
ନାହିଁ
It is not. Part 2 is not there in the
Acha.
nomination.
Part 2 is not there.
Part 2 of Annexure B ऐसे जो
Acha, part 2 of
who is not there.
Annexure 11
Part 2 of Annexure 11 is not there in Exhibit 39. Stop.
usually has no landslide.
The case 357 Annexure 11
No, Mr. Agrawal, କହୁଥିଲି ଆପଣ କଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ନୋମିନେସନ ପେପର ଟାକୁ ଧରିଛନ୍ତି ତା ଦେହରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ଆସୁଛି ନା ଏଇଟା କାଟି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଫାଟି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡା ଏକାଥରେ ପଚାରିଦେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ
nomination ରେ କରିଦେଲେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
other nomination same
Same ଅଛି.
ଖାଲି ଖାଲି ଦେଖେଇଦେବି ଏଟା
ନାଇଁ
same copy
ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଆପଣ ବୋଥ ସାଇଡ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଯେମିତି ପାର୍ଟ 2 ଟା ନାହିଁ ସେମିତି ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ଏଇଟାରେ ଅଛି ଏଇଟାରେ ଅଛି ସେଥିରେ ସେଇ ଲାଇଟରେ ପଚାର ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ରହିଲେ କଣ ହବ ନା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ ସୁବିଧା ହବ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ Annexure 11 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ Annexure 11 ର page 359 ରେ ରହିଲା part 3 sorry 358 part 3 हैं ଆ ଦେହରେ clause C Roman 2 ଅଛି ସେଇ clause Roman C2 of part 3 ରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ nomination ଦାଖଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଅଛି
C2 ଟା
ତ
part 3 ର
ହଁ ପାର୍ଟ 3 ର C2 ଟା ନାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
C2 ଟା ନା
ଆगे ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବା original ଦେଇଛି
ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ ରେ ବହି ପକାନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ ରେ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ନୋମିନେସନ ପେପର
Exact.
ଦେଖିକିନା ଉତ୍ତର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଭାଇଟା ତମ ପାଖକୁ ଟିକେ ନେଇଯାଅ
nahi.
It's not.
It is a fact that in the nomination paper marked as Exhibit 39, comma, clause C, छोटो C, bracket ଭିତରେ ରଖିବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ bracket ରେ Roman 2 of part 3 is not there. देखिए कौन
in the nomination paper filed by the respondent
अच्छा filed by the respondent सेटा आगुर रही जाइछ तो हला ठीक है 39 में अच्छा हो ठीक है माने गोटे exhibit 39 टा मो पर फाइल हेतला बेले से आगुर कहि देइछि ऑल राइट ठीक है इट्स a fact that in the nomination paper filed by the respondent before me and I said out लगाम before me marked as exhibit 39 clause 1 so is not there, even though the same is there in the
Annexure
in annexure
11.
11. Annexure 11 of 11 the mark change 11 हाँ ब्रैकेट लिख दूँ exhibit 38 3 ठीक है अच्छा at page 358 at page 358 ଆଉ ଥରେ ପଢିଦବା. It is a fact that in the nomination paper filed by the respondent before me marked as exhibit 39 clause C2 of part 3 is not there, even though the same is there in annexure 11 exhibit so and so at page. Yes, ठीक.
At page 358 ଟା ସେ bracket ଭିତରେ ରହିଯାଉ.
ଏଇଟାକୁ ହଉ ବ୍ରାକେଟ ଭିତରେ ରହିଦିଅ 358 ଟାକୁ ବ୍ରାକେଟ ଭିତରେ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 8 ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ମୋହାମ୍ମଦ ମୁକିମ ଯୋଉ ନମିନେସନ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ ଆର ପେଜ 3 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
Page 3 ହଁ
ଦେଖିଲେ page 3 page 3 ର ଏ ଯୋଉ Roman 1 to Roman 12 are not filled up by the respondent.
again. It is a fact that the respondent has not filled up the columns under Roman 1 पढ़ନ୍ତୁ bracket with TO2 Roman 12 X I 12 in page 3 of his nomination paper marked as in his nomination paper.
You have accepted the nomination paper of respondent with blank particulars.
Columns X to XII of item 1. Clear हो. It is a fact that the respondent has not filled up the columns under I to XII of item 1.
Of item 1
of part 3A.
ଉପରେ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ସେ particular portion ଟା
Of item 1 of part 3A. କିଛି ଜଣା ପଡିବନି.
in page number 3 पर ରହିଲା page number 3 ରେ ଆଉ କୌଣସି ସେମିତିଆ କଲମ ନାହିଁ ଏ କ୍ଲଜ ନାହିଁ ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ କ୍ଲଜ ଅଛି ସେ page number 3 ହେଇଗଲେ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଆସିଯାଉଛି 3 ମଧ୍ୟ page number ପଡିଛି ସେଠି ତେଣୁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ହବନି. ଅଲରାଇଟ୍ ହଁ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
You have accepted the nomination paper filed by the respondent with blank particulars.
କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମିଷ୍ଟର
It is not a fact. It is not column related to the.
Related ନା ଆପଣ blank particular କୁ accept କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ related କି ନାହିଁ my lords will decide.
କଣ କହିବା କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ. You have accepted this nomination paper filed by the respondent where the columns are left blank. ତାପରେ ସେଟା ଦରକାର କି ନାହିଁ that's a different thing.
Again.
It is a fact that I have accepted the nomination paper exhibit 39 in wherein columns under Roman 1 TO2 XII at page 3 as I said in page को add कर दे better होगा से जो in word टा use ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ଟିକେ नहीं ସେଇ line ର ସେ third line को पढ़े हाँ तापर जोटा आछि in page 3 ହେଇଯାଇଛି ସେଟା at page 3 कर दे हाँ ସେଟା 8 कर दे हाँ at page 3 It is a fact that I have accepted the nomination paper exhibit 39 wherein the columns so and so are left blank. Yes.
Blank particulars. Particulars. Particulars.
Left.
Left blank तो रही जाओ. Left blank means which is obviously not filled up. Filled up. Yes. এটা দুই গলা তেমন ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ সেটা দিও out जो लाइट रे जाइतला सेई टाइप रो गले अच्छा गोटे काम करिवा कि कॉपी करी आगे पेस्ट तापर
एग्जिबिटटा
सेइट हां सेइटु नै आस नै दिस इज द ओरिजिनल नॉमिनेशन पेपर सेइटु पूरा नै आसो
एटा देखंतु मोहम्मद वकीम आपण को जो नॉमिनेशन सेकंड नॉमिनेशन फाइल करथले 3 नंबर सीरियल आपण पकैचंती एटा और टू ब्रेकटा से ओरिजिनल नॉमिनेशन
गोटे पैराग्राफ कर दियन सेटा गोटे पैराग्राफ कर दियन एटा गोटे पैराग्राफ कोलो बेटर हो एक सेटा हां सेटु दुई कर दियन सेटा को आ एटा जो सिमिलर हो एटा 3 करंतु
This is the original nomination paper, serial number 3.
कॉपी करले पेस्ट करले पूरा डाउन हला दिस इज द ओरिजिनल अच्छा से एटा ऊपर नंबर टा पडिलानी हां ऊपर आउट ऊपर दिस इज द ओरिजिनल नॉमिनेशन पेपर से टू ओके दो नंबर टा जो
Paper
नंबर पडे
number 2.
सेटा हां एटा लेखन
Number 2 oblique L oblique 2019.
नंबर 2 हला 02 लिखाई छी नंबर 02 पर ठीक है तो 02 LA by 2019 डेटेड कर देन सेट पूराटा जाओ घरी डेटेड 24 2019 हला आज ए टाइम टा आपण पके जन तो
ओके ए जो टाइम पड़ी छै एटा भी आपण पकै जंती ता कपड़ा सिग्नेचर भी आपण
सेटा ही खातिर पड़े जाओ रुन से दुईटा सॉरी जाओ टिके तो this is the original nomination paper bearing so and so dated so and so filed at 11:20 a.m. filed by the respondent filed at so and so by the respondent before me in form to be which has been earlier marked as y in marked acha इथुटा ता signature टा mark कर दले हबो my signature
after receiving the same
acha all right after receiving the same
from the respondent
after receiving the same from the respondent I have put serial number comma date and time and also given my signature thereon hala stop after receiving the same after receiving the same from the respondent I put serial number date and time and also given my signature thereon this is the
তারপরে স্যার নয়া প্যারাগ্রাফ টা করলে বেটার
बर्तमान सेटू सेटा कॉपी करने सेटा काटी दियो एक पैराग्राफ टा रहियो सेटा काटी देई तापर पेस्ट कर देई वर्तमान आसियो अच्छा एटा होची नेक्स्ट होची देखि दियंतु 3
23/04/2019 टाइम से 11:20 ଏବଂ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଏଣ୍ଡୋର୍ସମେଣ୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ସେଟା କେତେ ହେଇଥିଲା? ନାଇଁ 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 39 ତ ଯିବା ଆମେ, ସେ ଯୋଉ y ଟା ଯେମିତି ଏଟା ମାର୍କ ହେଇଛି y/3 is marked as exhibit 40 ହବ,
40
exhibit 40। ତାପରେ ବାକି ସବୁ ଗୁଡା ତ ସେମିତି ରହିବ ଆଉ କଣ। after receiving the same from the respondent I put so and so ଗଲା, this is the part ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ସିରିয়াଲ ନମ୍ବର, ଏଇଟା ରହିବ ଏଇଟା, ହଁ ସେଇଟା ରହିବ, ଠିକ ଅଛି, ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି। ଇଟ୍ସ ଏ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ। ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେଇଟା ପଚାରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ତାପରେ ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ C2 ପାର୍ଟ 3 ଟା ନାହିଁ।
ପାର୍ଟ 2 ନାହିଁ ବୋଲିକି ନମିନେସନ ପେପର 2 ର ପାର୍ଟ 2 ନାହିଁ, ପାର୍ଟ 2 ନାହିଁ ତ ମାର୍କ not there in the ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଠିକ ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି ପ୍ରମିସନ ଫାଇଲ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସ ପ୍ଲସ C2 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପାର୍ଟ 3 ରେ ଏ ନମିନେସନ ପେପର ରେ ବି C2 ପ୍ଲସ C2 ନାହିଁ।
part 2 ଅଛି, ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ପାର୍ଟ 3
ପାର୍ଟ 3 ର C2 ଟା ନାହିଁ, ସେମ ତାମାନେ ଠିକ ଅଛି।
part 2
not there even though the same is there in annexure 11 সেটা ঠিক রয়েছে, হ্যাঁ সেটা ঠিক রয়েছে। It's a fact that হ্যাঁ সেটা পচার দিন।
এই পেজ 3 ର ସେମିତି କଲମ 1 to 12 ସବୁ ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ଅଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାପରେ ସେମିତି ବାକି ରହିଲା। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସଜେସନ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ ପଚାରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 40 ର ଏସଇ ଟାଇପ ର, ହଁ ସେମ ରହିଲା, ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କପି କରି ପେଷ୍ଟ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ସେଟା ରହିଲା ପରେ ଆଧିରେ ରହିଲା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଏଇଟା ଦେଖ ଆଉ ଦେଖେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
1 to 12 1 to 10 ନାହିଁ।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କଲି ପରା ମୁଁ, ସେଟା କଣ ଇଟ୍ସ ଏ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଆଇ ହାଭ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟେଡ, ସେ ଲାଇନ ଟା ରହିଲାନି କି? ହଁ ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଓକେ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ। ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ, ସେ ଯୋଉଟା 2 ଗଲା 3 ଗଲା, ତାପରେ 4 ନମ୍ବର ନୋମିନେସନ ପେପର
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି nomination paper serial number 4 you received on 2/4/2019 at 11:20 after that you have enrolled it
ମାନେ ଆगे ମାର୍କ ଟା କଣ, ମାର୍କ କଣ ହେଇଛି?
y/6
marked as exhibit 41 after serial numbers on seda rohila, okay 41 it's a fact that nomination paper so and so बाकी सब 41 टा चेंज कर दियो, सेटा रहियो समान, सेटा रहियो हां 41 हां 41 ठीक है। नेक्स्ट को जानतो नेक्स्ट नॉमिनेशन पेपर
ଏଇ ଥରେ ବି
हां अच्छा ठीक है।
ପାର୍ଟ 2 ନାହିଁ ମାନେ ପଚାର ଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
हां नहीं नहीं फॉर्मेट मु कर सारे नहीं नहीं ठीक है नहीं सेटा
पेज 3 रे क्लास C2 ନାହିଁ and columns 1 to Roman 1 to 12 are blank.
ओके नेक्स्ट को जान बर्तन 5 को पढ़े सुन
y/9
এটা কেতে হবে এক্সিবিট 42 ऊपर उड़े छाड़ दे हां सही पचार
सीरियल 5 नॉमिनेशन भी आपण 11टा कोडिया रे रिसीव कला परे नंबर पकेटे सिग्नेचर करछन।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ए नॉमिनेशन ने भी पार्ट 2 नाही
ଆଜ୍ଞା
क्लास C2 नाही
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ठीक अछि सेटु इट इज अ फैक्ट दैट रेस्पोंडेंट नॉट फिल्ड अप ए नॉमिनेशन रे पेज 3 रे कॉलम 1 to 12 फिल्ड अप इज
कोटा कहले
The fourth nomination.
पेज 3 रो जो कॉलम 1 to 12 ब्लैंक नथला
हां
in this nomination only he had filled up
कोटा रे
a serial 5 रे to exhibit
अच्छा it is a fact that the respondent has not a field of columns number 1 to 12 at page 3 of the nomination paper देखिए देलो तो हां ठीक है it's a fact that I have accepted the nomination paper তাহলে এই লাইনটা কটি যাবে এটা কটি যান লাস্ট লাইনটা কাটি দিও
नहीं केवल 42 जाई माय लॉर्ड रहो इट इज अ फैक्ट दैट आई हैव एक्सेप्टेड
हां नहीं सी लास्ट लाइन सेंटेंसটা কটি যাও it's a fact that I have accepted the nomination paper हां সেটা ঠিক আছে
ठीक अछि ना
Mr. Vishwal, I some questions that एडाको कोठी मिले एडाको सेठी मिले सेटा कोठी अछि ए जो
लास्ट और अछि फिक्स
टिके बाहर करके देबे से जो पचार नथिली मु ताको मु पचारथिली कोठी मिले केम कैंडिडेट जाए से सेटा टी बाहर हां
You are aware about the provisions contained in Representation of People Act regarding conduct of election.
I'm
aware.
aware about the provisions under this one so act year 1951
So also you are aware about the rules
1950
conduct of election 1961.
comma representation of people people act representation of people act comma 1951 ठीक है हाँ कौन आउट कौन पचारले
Conduct of election.
I am also aware about
Conduct
the conduct of ये बही रे सेटा नहीं की वो पेज रे नहीं से अक्षरी को ये हाँ नहीं conduct of election rules 1961 एवुडा कहउछन तो हाँ से year टा ठीक से रखा 1961 ओके हाँ सीटा बड़ा को conduct of yes D हाँ D टा भी बड़ा को
About that.
61.
देखो section 33 टा देखो
conduct of elections कर दो
yes
এবং section 33A देखो
conduct of election rules रा
नहीं RP Act रो section 33 and 33A
okay RP Act 1951 section 33 and 33A
और ये बोल कहने ये जो का अलगा पार्ट चाहिए तो और ये बन जाएगी
ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ ତାହେଲେ
ଏଇଟା
ସେଇଟା
ଖାଲି ସାରିଦବା
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଠିକ ଅଛି ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ଟାଇପ ର ମାର୍କ କରିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ୟେସ୍
ଚାଲିବ
ସୋ ଏଇଟା ଇଏ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉ କଣ ଟୁ ବି ଯୋଉ ଆମର ହୁଏ ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଟା ତ କାଲିକି ରହିବ
କାଲି।
ଆପଣ ମୁଁ କହିବା କଥା ହଁ 10:30 କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା କାରଣ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ହବ ତ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ହବ ତେଣୁ 10:30 ନବା ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହିବା କଥା ଯୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଆଗରୁ କହିଲେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସ ସେ ବାହାର କରିକି ରେଡି କରି ରଖିଥବ ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଟାଇମ ଆଉ ଇଏ ହଁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସିଏ ବାହାର କରିପାରିବ ନା ତେଣୁ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସ ରେ ଖୋଲିଦବ ଖୋଲିଦେଇକି ରେଡି କରି ରଖିବ ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ
ବଞ୍ଚଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗିବେନି ନୋମିନେସନ ସେଟ ର ବଞ୍ଚଟା ରହିବା
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସୋ ଏଇଟା ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅର୍ଡର ସିଟ୍ ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ
ସେଟ
ଅର୍ଡର ଆଜି ନମ୍ବରଟା କେତେ ହବ ଅର୍ଡର ନମ୍ବରଟା 112 111 ଦିନ ଯାଇଛି Deepankar his cross examination is resumed this one so appearing for the cross examination witness is discharged कर दूँ the witness is discharged हाँ witness the witness PW2 is discharged कर दूँ है ना next that द्वारा तो किसी आज mark पर है नहीं okay now you come PW3 on that election
सुकांत कुमार प्रधान
Sukant Kumar Pradhan is present. He is examined in chief. He is examined in chief in part. In part. Stop. The no time today. No time today. अच्छा हाँ सेटा लेखा हवा अपन ने कहि दे he is examined in part comma the chief examination shall resume अच्छा हाँ the documents सेटा कर देबो तो हाँ से कर देबे देखिन कर तापर कर सेटा कर दो marks 1 so the chief examination is will resume tomorrow कर दियंतु examination shall resume tomorrow कर दियंतु that is 27/4/2023 at 10:30 AM ହେଲା ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ କଣ ଖୋଲା ହେଇଥିଲା
No time today, the examination in chief shall resume.
no time ଲେଖାଇଁ
ଯୋଉ ଟାଇମ ଟା ପକେଇଲେ ସେଟା 10:30 ଜାଗାରେ 11:30 କରିହବ କି?
ସାର୍ ଗୁଡାଏ କଣ ମାର୍କ କରିବେ ସେ ତ ସରିବନି ଯଦି କଣ ଚିପ୍ ଟାଇମ ଟେକିଂ ହବ ତେଣୁ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ କାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଟିକେ ଆଗରୁ ଆସିବାକୁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି କଣ ସାର୍ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଲଞ୍ଚ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ହଉଛି ତ ରେଫରେନ୍ସ ତେଣୁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆଉ
ଠିକ ଅଛି ରହୁ 10:30
ଅଲରାଇଟ୍ 10:30 ଆଉ କଣ ହଁ no time today ଲେଖିବେ ସେଠି ହଁ the document marked as no time today ସେଇଠି ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ n ଟା କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା the examination shall resume tomorrow at so and so बाकी से जो कौन गोटा सील्ड कवर खोला ला सेटा पर लिखिबे हां तापर सेटा लिख देबे लास्ट आ कौन है ना फर्दर क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में
further examination
और दरकार नहीं सेटा काटी दियो सेटा लास्ट वीक काटी दियो है ना हां देखि देबे टिके आपण टिके अपेक्षा करिवे मिस्टर प्रधान यू वेट टिके काउंसिल माने टिके देखि देला परे तापर सिग्नेचर करी जिबे एंड द योर एग्जामिनेशन विल कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम 10:30 सो ट्राई टू रीच बिफोर ओके